Hi, my name is Grillmaster Max, and today I'll show you how to make a yummy burger. Here are the ingredients you'll need: pickles, ketchup, mustard, buns, onion, tomatoes, shredded lettuce, patties, and cheese. Step 1. Put patty on the grill. Step 2. Close the grill and let them cook. Step 3. Cut the tomato. Step 4. Time to flip. Step 5. Cut the onion. Step 6. Add the cheese. Step 7. Build the burger.
Your face, oversized patty hanging off the plate. It's a great big mountain of burger taste. Super giant hamburger. Square of cheese, a foot across, sprayed on layer of secret sauce. Get out the way for the burger boss. Extra giant hamburger.
Time to share the burgers.
Oh my goodness, this looks delicious. This is the best burger ever!
Don't forget to like and subscribe.